What if I told you financial freedom isn't just for the wealthy? Here are 9 simple steps to help you build real wealth. Step 1. Track your expenses. Start tracking every dollar you spend. Use a simple notebook to write down your expenses so you can identify areas where you can save. Step 2. Create a budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Allocate funds for necessities and stick to your budget very closely. Step 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, is a major obstacle to financial freedom. Debt keeps you in bondage. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This will prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Step 5. Start investing early. Start investing as early as possible in stocks, ETFs, or real estate, even if it's just a small amount. Your investments will grow exponentially over time. Step 6. Increase your income. Increase your income by starting a side hustle or developing new skills. More income means more money to pay off debt, save, and invest. Step 7. Live below your means. Don't try to impress people on Instagram. Spend less than you earn and invest the rest. Step 8. Protect your assets. Protect your assets with insurance coverage. Step 9. Review and adjust your budget. Conclusion. Being rich isn't about how much you earn. It's about how little you need to live well